Hi, today I'm making one pot chicken and rice, and I call it one pot because you can cook the chicken and the rice together. Today I'm using Zataran's yellow rice, but I actually prefer Uncle Ben's wild rice for this recipe. Unfortunately, I didn't have that, so I was going to go with what I had. I have five chicken thighs for this recipe in a cast iron skillet, and I have cut up 2 cloves of garlic. In the chicken, I'm seasoning it with quite a bit of pepper and just season to taste. So whatever your preferred seasonings are. I don't do a lot of extra seasoning because there is seasoning in the packet of the yellow rice. Next, you're going to bake this chicken uncovered at 350 degrees and for about 45 minutes. You'll take it out of the oven and actually add the rice and the water to the rice mixture. And so you're going to add I will only take about a half a cup less than what the recipe calls for because the chicken is going to generate its own juice. You'll place it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. And once all of the liquid has been cooked out of the dish, you can bring it out. And I use green onions, 3 chopped up green onions to serve with this recipe for color and taste. One more thing to check. You want to make sure that the rice is moist and soft. If you find it's a little crispy, add a 1/4 cup of water back to the dish and put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, and it should be great.